Labios and welcome to my vlog. So in this video, you will be witnessing my journey in 7-minute workout every day in 7 days. So ang goal ko ay mag-weight loss at ang current kilogram ko ay 51.9 at gusto ko ay maging 49 kilogram ngayon with the use of this app, 7-minute workout app. So this is my day 1. Kaya naman samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Sobrang pawis! Sulit na sulit ang pag-workout. Sana kumayat tayo, mag-lose tayong weight. And, abangan nyo kami sa 6 days pa. And for sure, makakasama pa rin natin si Princess!